All right, good Friday morning. Michael Venezia, head trader at Tradeview Markets. A couple of things that we're looking at this morning, but before I do, I want to say something. Everybody wants to know what the market's going to do. I have no idea what the market's going to do. I'll get into it in a second. Tradeview Markets, as I sign into TradeGATEHub, I sign in just the same as everybody else. So still rotation as we get in here. Always upgrades and downgrades in TGH, posting Wall Street research, economic data, whatever you need, movers, it's all there. And if you don't miss it, you want to know a little bit more what we're about, always go to our red YouTube icon. By the way, we had Jack Schwager yesterday, one of the top, arguably, traders of all time, if not authors, yesterday as my other trading coach continues to outperform, getting tremendous amounts of guests who have not only influence but great insight. Thank you, Coach. All right, so bottom line is this. Why does everybody, I'll go into my main screen. Here's my main screen today. I'll make it brief. All right, it looks like they marked them up into the end of the quarter. The market made a nice push end of the month. Bravo, the market made a nice push yesterday. Great. Now it's the beginning of the month. Let's see what happens. But this is what's happening. How can I actually give, besides looking at the futures, ES, or maybe some indexes, TNA, as opposed to IWM and Qs? Here's the chart on Apple. Okay. By the way, down this morning. Here's the chart on AMD. Almost broaching 200 this morning. Here's the chart on Citicorp, which, by the way, at least yesterday was breaking. Well, we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll break again. And here's the part of JP Morgan. So, you could look at chart in A&F, in retail. Or you could look what they're doing to a chart like Children's Place. That's basically a Bed Bath & Beyond waiting to happen, going from 8 to 40. So with that being said, is I don't look at the indexes. Please, it's stock picking. Let's focus on this. The example I brought up is AMD as opposed to the other ones, Google, Microsoft, and here's another one, Dell, the big winner of the morning. High was 120 this morning, Dell Technologies, and people are actually not even selling it here, from what I understand. And there's great rotation. Let's look at the weight loss drugs. The XBI took a little day off yesterday. Is Viking Therapeutics, which has been in the not only hot but in the takeover category. Was at the beginning of the week 37. The high was given to take 100. 100 pulled back to 76. It is a weekend. With these bios and all these baby bios moving, I keep in mind that maybe the cream will rise to the top and everything like that. And I am long one of these right here, this RBNC. I like this. I'm in that one. I might be a little early or whatever, but even with saying that AMD as opposed to Apple, it's the same with even gene editing stocks and bios. There's CRISPR, which was the best. Mattel is in the same category, played catch up. Edit, same thing. So Macy's showed a little bit of life and thought the turnaround story was going to happen. And that went from 30 to basically 17. So maybe if I'm bringing up Macy's or old time stocks, though, they're really more emblematic, Citicorp, Apple, of what's going on in the economy. Yeah, I'm trading Sound. Yeah, I'm in Western Digital. Yeah, I'm in II today. It's one of my better positions. It's up this morning. Yeah, I'm trading. What else am I trading? You can look at anything here. I'm trading Snow. I'm trading GCT, which is still the best China stock out there. Don't trade. It's a stock you got to own. Don't trade it. ZS. There's the best of breed Roblox. I like that short too. ZS. There's the crowd cybersecurity stock reporting. Let's see how that goes. Roblox. That's looking for. I talked about with Surf. We'll leave it at there, okay? Obviously, I'll leave it with the fact that we all saw what happened in Mara with the last 2 days coming out with earnings from 35 to 25 on just tremendous volume. I'd like to hear what Coach says about that chart with stocks like Coin hanging in there. So, Bitcoin's hanging in there just because the miners might not be Riot. There you go. CLSK is the best of breed, if you will. That's coming right down. If you want to buy one of those, that's the one I would actually look to buy. Maybe, I don't know right here, but we'll see. We'll be in the room. I'm on at 11 o'clock. Have a plan. We'll see you there. Please share comments and questions. Always welcome. Thanks again.